Hello, my name is Sean McCarty, and I have a brain tumor in a little brain, so it takes up a big chunk of it, of the space up there. Acoustic Schwannoma, I believe is how they say it. But anyways, it's it's not cancer, so it's a good thing right there. But it does happen to be in a horrible location. I'll attach pictures and all that. It is running through all my cranial nerves, or all my cranial nerves run through it, I guess. It's in my ear into going towards the brainstem. Like I said, I'll attach a picture. It's 3.5 centimeters, which is like 15 centimeters is the size of a brain, so it's like a quarter of the size of my brain. A quarter of the mass is a tumor. They're gonna have to cut me open back here behind my ear. The other option was to go through the ear canal, but either way they'd be scarred in the same spot. They would just go through the ear canal and bore it out. But they're electing to go through the skull instead, so they're going to cut a piece of skull out. They're going to go through with the camera. They're going to cut it out. And the issues are, if you hit the tumor at all and you move it too much, those nerves that are encased in there will get like shook, and then it'll damage them. They'll have little electrodes everywhere, so they'll know if they're hitting anything or if they're pushing too hard on the tumor. I guess it'll identify something's being damaged. But facial paralysis is their main concern. But there's also, I mean, you can go blind, but that never seemed to be too big of a concern. But all the nerves are encased in there, so I guess that's a possibility too. Shoulders, the ability to do this. Taste, the first third and the back 2/3, and that if that was also damaged, that would be my ability to swallow properly. Movement of the eyes, all that stuff, up, down, left, right. It's all going to be possibly damaged. Sense of smell. I'm definitely losing my hearing in my left ear 100%. They said they're going to abolish the hearing. I'm going to be out of work for quite a while. I'm going to be in intensive care from 2 to 4 days. And after that, I'm going to be in the hospital for, I think they said 2 months, maybe 4 months. I can't remember. I'm going to have to learn how to walk again, which sucks. That's kind of a scary thing to think about. I'm going to have to be on a feeding tube at first because I guess even though it's not touching my brainstem, it's close enough that it's causing pressure. And when it's not causing pressure anymore, it's going to have to learn how to fire signals again properly, and I'm not going to know how to swallow. So I don't know how long I'm going to be on a feeding tube, but that's definitely going to happen too, I guess. We just bought a new house, like just fucking bought it, and we put a lot of money down on it, and now I'm worried that because I'm not working, I'm not able to make my payments. I'm laid off too, and I haven't got a single fucking unemployment check. I'm just worried about the shit, and I don't like asking for money. I don't like asking for anything from anybody, but I'm just felt like I need to do this just to make sure my family's okay. Because what if I come out and I can't go back to work, and then my family? I'm really worried about finances around here, and I decided to do this. And if you can't donate, totally fine. I understand. I just thought I'd put it out there and talk to everybody and see, you know, maybe how it goes. I don't know. Thanks for your time. Can you please share this with everybody? Spread it out. All right. Thanks.